We have some chicken here. We're going to do some barbecue honey chicken, or honey barbecue chicken. So those are already cut, so I'm adding my vinegar. And I'm also adding some salt to cut the rawness. So when you add the salt and the vinegar, you just wash, because it's removed the rawness from the chicken, and then the slime residue that's there, it remove them. And then you're going to change this water and wash again in different. Look, and if you know this season, tell me what kind of season this is. Comment down in the comment area to tell me what kind of season this is. I'm adding to the chicken. Let me see if the chef is here, or if you have been learning anything since I am doing this channel. Alright, so this is chicken season. I'm adding just a little bit. Let me go in with a little all-purpose also. Then I'm going to go in with my ginger, garlic, pimento season. See? Ginger, garlic, pimento. So I am actually adding my special ingredients. Special ingredients. So I'm about to rub every season together now with this chicken to have everything equal on the chicken. This is what it look like now after I finish rubbing it up. So I'm going to remove it now from this container into the baking sheet. So I'll let you see what it looks like on the baking sheet before I put it in the oven. So this is basically what it looks like on the sheet pan. So no browning added or anything like that. For persons that have been asking if I bake chicken with browning, see, no browning added. So I'm going to actually go into the oven now with this. What it looks like when it just comes from the oven. I'm about to add the sauce now. As you can see, one is missing there because I won't tell you who took it up, but it's gone. So this is what the honey barbecue chicken is looking like. I'm going to add it back to the oven now.